Wet cough plus leg swelling? That combo is a warning. Fluid leaves dents in shins. Worse at night, needs pillows. When the heart weakens, fluid backs up into lungs, triggering a wet, bubbly cough. And it sinks into ankles and legs. Rapid weight gain, tight shoes. Neck veins can bulge. Lying flat makes breathing harder. Energy drops. Daily tasks strain. See a clinician now. Tests, exam, x-ray, echo, labs. Treatment can remove fluid. Red flags, severe breathlessness, pink froth. Call emergency. Track weight daily. Limit salt. Take meds as directed. Know the signs. This is education, not medical advice.